Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Tshegofatso. So today I'm taking out next door for a field day, and this is me praying that I'm not too tardy because I am really late. So yesterday some guys from next door came to borrow the green sail that Amon uses for stuff. And I was asking him, what are you making? So because I thought Amon was making something and they come to help him. And then he tells me no, that they want to borrow it for shade because they've got field day today. And so I kept asking him what time is field day, and he said he would find out and let me know. This morning I asked him what time is field day. This was at after 8 in the morning, and he said 9:30. And my hair was all tangled up. I hadn't bathed. So anyway, between washing my hair, detangling, bathing, and everything, I've taken about an hour and a half. Um, and this is me hoping that I'm not tardy. Why I'm saying that, even though I'm late, is everything starts on African time in the village. If you think that city people have got African time, village people African time is African time to the max. We call them balimisi. These are the people that offer support to farmers. They support with seed. They support with knowledge and stuff like that. And basically when you sign up with them for them to give you the seed etc, you have to be willing for your field to be used for educational purposes. That means even when your crop is ready, say maize, you know that the time of maize being fresh is only limited, but they wait until the maize dries because they want to show people how your crop did. So you kind of operate on their clock. And so yeah, normally when they're coming to give farmers tutorials, like for instance, people in this community don't plant small greens. It just hasn't been done for a long time. And because when maize came in, kind of like people lost the seed, you lose the culture of planting small grains, and so they've been bringing it back. These people are from seed companies, of course. So when they give you a seed and you replace your seed, they might not like me saying that. What happens is that sometimes you end up misplacing your seed, and then you depend on the seed that the seed companies offer you. But what happens is that those seeds are closed pollinated. That means every time you want to plant, you have to go back to the company to buy a seed. Whereas the seeds that our grandparents were using were open pollinated, so they could always plant from the same seed. So basically it's business. Well, yeah, but so when you sign up with them, you're willing for your field to be used for educational purposes, etc, etc. So yeah, I'm going to see what they're up to. This is earlier in the morning when they were fixing up the place to get it ready for the event. So the event had kicked off, and the people who offer support for local farmers were giving some teachings. The people were involved with questions and answers, and some of them actually shared their stories of how they experienced farming the last rainy season. And these wheelbarrows and tools that you see here were being given as prizes for the farmers that did more exceptionally well than others. The people that attended were mostly the elderly people who are still working the land, and it seems like among the young people we're losing the culture a little bit. But yeah, for the people who are involved with the people that offer support for farmers, they had turned up, and it's a once a year event that they really look forward to. So yeah, everybody had a good time. So basically I left home early and there was still housework to be done when I got back, and I was catching up with it here. Had to clean the kitchen and sweep the house and get everything ready. And then after that, I literally just sat down, twisted my hair, and it was time to prep for supper. So basically, after I finished cleaning the house, I sat down to twist my hair. I've just finished like minutes ago, right in time to prepare supper. To get these vegetables, by the way, these are the ones that Amon planted from seedlings a couple of weeks ago, and they are already grown. Guys, have a look at this. We've got mail. When we went to the post office, literally we didn't record because I was half doubting, and we're expecting they had said 3 weeks, and I said to Amon, normally mail in Africa arrives in 6 weeks, and it took the right 6 weeks, but because they had said 3 weeks, I don't know, I was starting to have doubt. But I was so relieved. I was like, what if it gets lost? If you don't know what this is for, if you are a YouTuber, you need this to start getting paid. So yeah, this will be the first time we actually start getting paid. Today Amon has brought me in places. He likes to come and grab pap, mealie meal in places like this, like a dollar with the insides name. And yeah, today I tagged along. So this is $3 meat, and I was just asking Amon now that do they charge you for frying for you, and he says no.
YouTubers were on payroll. Huh? YouTubers on payroll.